Now we see the applications of total internal reflection. First one is mirage. Mirage means it is an optical illusion observed due to total internal reflection of light at air layers of the different density. On a hot summer days, the air near the ground becomes hotter than the air at a higher levels. Then the refractive index of the air increases with its density. As hotter air has the lower density, so the refractive index is also smaller. So it becomes a rarer. The layer of air at a ground level becomes rarer, and at a higher one, that is the cooler air, serves as a denser medium. So when a light from a tall object such as a tree passes from a higher layer to a lower layer, right, as the higher layer air having the denser and the lower layer of the air is the rarer. So as the light coming from a tall tree is crossing from denser to a rarer medium, so there will be the action of total internal reflection, as if the angle of incidence is greater than the angle of critical angle, so there will be a undergoing of total internal reflection process. So the observer who is standing far away, observer will assume that whatever the light is coming, that is coming from somewhere from a underground, that means he is assumed to be have a pool here. So this is the illusion of which is working on the total internal reflection, that this man is assuming to be having a pool somewhere here. This is mainly occurs in the deserts, hot deserts. This is one of the application of a total internal reflection. Now we see second application, that is brilliance of diamond. Brilliance means the extreme reflection, that is extreme shining of diamond. That is also one of the application of the total internal reflection. Diamond has the refractive index of the very high, that is n is equal to 2.4. So as we know that the refractive index increases, the critical angle decreases, as we seen here. As the refractive index of the material increases, so the critical angle decreases. So as the diamond having the more refractive index, the critical angle for this diamond is very less, so it is about 25 degrees. So when we cut the diamonds, when we cut a diamond in such a way that whatever the light is entering to this diamond will have a all total internal reflection, so that the diamond will look like a immensely shining. That is called as brilliance of diamond. This is also one of the application of the total internal reflection. And next we have a optical fibers. Optical fibers means it is a long transparent fiber of glass or plastic. It is made up of glass or plastic. It is long and transparent, which can transmit a light along any desired path. Means it is a long thread like material which is working on the principle of total internal reflection. Consider this is a optical fiber. This has a core inside the hollow cylindrical shape, and the upper surface of this is made up of cladding, in which when a light falls at one end of the optical fiber, say this is the incident light, then there is a total internal reflection takes place inside this optical fiber. Not one time, it will takes place again and again. At this interface also there is a total internal reflection, and this place also there is a total internal reflection. So that total internal reflection is taking place many times, and we will get a whatever we have sent the light rays, they are coming out of this optical fibers. This is known as the optical fiber. It is used in many of the areas, like it is used in telecommunication. Telecommunication means if we are need to transfer the any information, data, text, voice, pictures, then these electrical signals are converted to optical or light signals, and then they are supposed to enter this optical fiber. Then whatever we are giving this data, that is taking total internal reflection several times, and where we want to provide that data, that is going to that place without losing any information. So that's why in telecommunication also we are using this optical fiber. Use as toys. Toys means you might have seen that the optical fibers, you are using it as a toys. That is, you might have seen there are some pods. In that pods there are some threads are immersed, thread like structures, and at the end of that thread like structures there will be the light is glowing. That toys are made up of the optical fibers only, and these optical fibers are used to transmit the light without loss in the intensity over the distance of several kilometers. We can transmit the light without any loss. Whatever the light we are providing at one end of the optical fiber is equal to the whatever we are getting at the other end of the optical fiber. We can transmit through very long distances, like several kilometers also we can transmit the light rays over these optical fibers. And it is used to manufacture the medical instruments called endoscopes. In the medical industry also we are using this optical fibers that to make endoscopes. Endoscopes means these are the optical fibers. At the one end of the optical fiber they have connected the camera, and they will put inside the human. By mouth they can put that optical fiber to see what are the difficulties, or what are the any problems is happening to that patient. To know that about that problem, they are putting these optical fibers into the mouth, and they are sending it to the stomach, and they are seeing it, because at the one end of the optical fiber they have used the small cameras, and it can be used inside the mouth because it is like a thread like structure. It is very thin, so that we can use it for the medical instruments also. This is the applications of the total internal reflection.